how to change your Gmail password in your phone. So if you want more tutorials like this, and subscribe and click that bell icon on so you will be updated if there are new uploads on this channel. So I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password. So this is very simple. Just go to your Gmail app on your phone and go to the top right corner where you could see your account. And then we can see here that there are a lot of accounts, but we will be going to Google account. So there's a button there. And there are a lot of tabs, a few tabs rather. And we will be going to security. So once we are here in the security, we will go and click on that password option. So just wait for the moment while it is loading. So in here we are required to put on our password. So you can change your password. So this is a step to verify that it is you who is going to change the password. So once you are done, it will be here. So just put on your new password and confirm it with your new password as well, so you can have your password change. And just confirm it on your email. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching.